In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 incredibly simple methods you can use today to start to promote Clickbank products without a website. Now, these methods have produced me thousands of dollars in the affiliate marketing business model. And again, you're going to be learning these exact strategies. Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account, that's actually the first step. All you want to do is go to clickbank.com, okay? Go to the top right, hit sign up and start to sign up. Okay, now once you do that, you can actually log in and you can start to find Clickbank products to promote. Now, once you're inside Clickbank, you want to go to the top marketplace tab and you want to look at some of the categories. Okay, if you're already in a certain niche and you promote Clickbank products, then stick to that niche. For example, let's say you do health and fitness products or you're interested in health and fitness. You want to sort results by gravity. Okay, this is going to actually share with you what products are other affiliate marketers making tons of sales with right now. And if we look at the top few products, these are going to be the best selling. So if we promote these, chances are we're going to be able to make great commissions as well. So then all you have to do is hit promote, okay? Then just hit generate hop links. Now this is your actual affiliate link, okay? So right here. Now, when we go to promote using these 3 methods I'm going to share with you, you don't just want to share your long Clickbank affiliate link because it's unattractive and it doesn't look enticing for someone to click. What you can do is use a free site called tinyurl.com. When you go there, okay, and you enter in a long link and you click this button, basically it shortens, okay, that link and it makes it a lot more attractive. Okay, so this right here, I could just copy and now I can promote this on the methods I'm going to share with you. Okay, so what's the very first method without a website? If, again, you don't have a funnel, you just want to start making sales. Well, a lot of people don't realize this, but you can actually use your Facebook profile, okay? Just free marketing using a Facebook profile. So I have other videos. I'll put a card on the video where I walk you through step-by-step free Facebook marketing. But just as an overview, essentially, you want to have a good cover, a good picture here. And the very first step is to start getting targeted friends, okay? Getting friends on this profile that are interested in the product we're promoting. So for example, let's say I'm promoting a make money online product. I know a lot of people who watch my channel, promote that. Well, I can actually go here, okay, and I can find a Facebook group that has to do with the topic of my product. So for me, it's, let's say, make money online. I found this group, okay, it's a public group, meaning you can actually see the members without joining. And essentially, okay, it has 23,600 members in this one group. So you want to find a pretty large group in the niche that your product is. We want to go to the members tab, okay? And now once this loads, what we want to do is we want to start adding friends that have members that are in common, okay? Things like mutual friends, okay? So we can add these people. Facebook will let us add a lot more people if we have mutual friends. So I can just add these people like this, okay? Because I know these people are interested in making money. I can also do new to the group, okay? Now these people are recently added to this group. They could be recently interested in making money online. Now I can add some of these people. You don't want to add more than about 20 to 30 people a day. You're going to be able to add a lot more if you stick with the members with things in common, because again, you have mutual friends. Facebook's going to allow you to add them. But once we do that, okay, what we want to do on our profile is we want to post valuable things on a daily basis. Things like tips, things like success quotes. Okay, if you're in the health and fitness niche, you can look up on Google health and fitness quotes, and you can just post those. Now, people are going to start to like that, okay, because we added targeted people. Now, you can also share photos of yourself if you're kind of branding yourself, and just share, motivation, things like that. Now, every other day or so, we want to make a pitch post. Okay, this is how we're going to start making commissions with Clickbank and Facebook. So this is an example, right? So I did this, some months ago. And what I did was I had a headline. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this better. Basically, I had a headline. Okay, attention money seekers. I'm promoting a product that helps people make money. Okay, so when I say that, that's going to catch people's attention. And then I give a little bit of the benefits of what the product offers, okay, without actually revealing the product. We want to build curiosity. And then towards the end, I say, comment yes below if you're interested. So what happened was I had all these people, okay, 38 comments. Yes, yes, nice work, yes, okay. Now, once you get people commenting on your pitch post, the next step is we simply open up this person's profile, message them, okay, our affiliate link, right? Now I advise you to use, the shortened link so it's more attractive. And we just message these people, hey, I saw you request information on this way to make money. Check this out right now. And then we send them our link, okay? So Facebook is one of it's the first method rather of this powerful training to get ClickBank sales without a website. Number 2 is Instagram. A lot of people are on Instagram. If you're someone that likes taking photos or you like sharing photos, Instagram is great for you. You can do it in less than 30 minutes a day. And what you want to do here, and you can see I have over 22,000 followers. I don't use Instagram that much. I mostly use YouTube. But Instagram, again, I've made thousands of dollars with. And what you want to do is you want to have, again, a good photo, okay? Now, you can put a little bio into your Instagram that is very relevant to the product. Now, again, I'm not currently promoting many products off my Instagram, so I made this more, just like to make friends. But essentially, you could put in here, if you're giving, let's say you're promoting a health and fitness product, you can say health and fitness tips, lifestyle motivation, right? Whatever the niche is, you want to have some words here that describe what your profile is going to be about. And then what you want to do is put your affiliate link in your bio, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to be posting pictures. Now, these pictures can be, again, Google images that you find that are success quotes related to that topic. So if you find, health and fitness success quotes, if you search that into Google, you could take one of those photos and upload it on your Instagram, and you're going to start getting likes. Now, the key with Instagram is to use targeted hashtags. Okay, you can actually type in here, and you can just, type in like make money online, okay? And you start to get these keywords. Now, what I recommend is you tag your photo, okay? So when you go to create a photo, in the caption or in the first comment, it actually works there too, you include targeted hashtags that have to do with the products you're promoting. So again, make money online fast. Okay, these are examples of what I could be tagging my photos with. Now I just zoomed in a little bit, and what you want to do is when you're first starting off, you don't want to use like make money online as a hashtag because it has over 4 million other posts, so that's very competitive. You want to look at the ones that have 100,000 to about 400,000, right? So make money online free. Okay, you could do make money online fast, make money online now. Okay, that's a good one. Make money online daily. Okay, now when people search these hashtags, okay, what's going to happen is people that are either the most popular or the most recent, okay, that have tagged their photos with those hashtags are going to show up here. And if they're very targeted to your profile, to your product that you're promoting, then they're going to more than likely follow you, okay, and then check out your bio and the affiliate link. Now, another thing you want to do though with Instagram is you want to share proof, okay, of results. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, you're selling a product that teaches people how to lose weight, you can share pictures, okay, that are results of people losing weight. Now, how do you find these? Well, on the affiliate sales page, you can often save screenshots, or you can snip that photo of a before and after, okay, if it's in the weight loss niche. If it's a make money online product, you can share screenshots, okay, of people making money, right? So again, just like Facebook, we want to post, a few days worth of value, a few days worth of tips or motivational images. And then the next day we can share a result post, and we can tell people in our caption, okay? So right here, I said my new friend. What I could have easily done right here is say, hey, if you want to learn how to do this method, be sure to click the link in my bio, okay? And then you include hashtags. It ranks because they're not competitive, and now you're making commission after commission with Clickbank, okay? And the last method I want to share with you that you can do without a website is YouTube, okay? If you're not afraid to put your face out there, or you can even do screen shares in many cases where you don't even have to show your face on camera, then you could definitely benefit from YouTube. Now, one method you can use is if the product has a certain name, okay, you can actually go to YouTube and do a review on that product. Maybe you purchase it yourself. Maybe you look at other people's reviews and you get an opinion for yourself. you can actually do a review. So let's say you became an affiliate on Amazon, okay? Amazon is another place other than Clickbank where you can find affiliate commissions. Well, a lot of those are, items that you can find around the house. You can do a review on that, okay? So let's say you have a Samsung Galaxy camera. You can do a review on that camera in a YouTube video. And then, just like this person, 5-minute video giving some advice on what you think. Hey, I thought this camera was good. I thought this camera was not good, whatever. At the end of your video, you give a call to action. You say, hey, if you want to purchase this, be sure to go to the description below, okay? And, click that link and get access to it. And then right here, you can see this person did that. Okay, they actually included their Amazon affiliate link. So if I go here and purchase, okay, that person gets a commission. Okay, so this is a very, very powerful method. Again, with YouTube, it's very simple. You just create a very simple video, tell a little bit about the pros, some of the cons. Okay, you don't just want to focus all on the pros, or people aren't going to trust you as much as far as your review. But throw a little cons in there, upload it, okay? Put the title as whatever the name of the product is, followed by review, okay? And people could easily find this and purchase through your link. So I hope you got value and you now understand how to promote Clickbank products without a website. If you got value and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're always notified on my latest training. And last but not least, Clickbank is okay to find products to promote, but often you have to wait a long time to get paid out and you're not going to make 100% commissions. If you want access to a free video revealing my #1 affiliate system to make 100% instant paid commissions, even on autopilot, click that first link in the description and watch that free video. I think it's going to blow your mind. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.